now we're going to use these grids and layouts to create consistency. So if you look here, now, if you're not paying attention, you may not be bothered, but somebody, and I had this happen to me when we were pitching Kleiner Perkins and Big Gordon was in the room. And Big Gordon is like the co-founder of EA. He was like my hero because I've played every EA game that I met, when I was a kid, and to have him in the room was like just amazing. And he was complaining the whole time about white text on a blue background. He just kept saying, "It's white. I can't read that. It's white text on a blue background." He was seeing a detail that I did not see, and it was distracting to him. Someone who has an eye for design and they see this is going to get distracted. Why? Because look at this. Look at how this left-hand side shifts. A very small thing, but because there's no consistency in the layout and they didn't use a grid, it creates very unprofessional looking things. A lot of times you can't describe what looks professional and unprofessional, but it's little things like that. Yes, it's very detailed, but if you care about the details, then the investor understands that you're going to care about the details in other things in the product. So if I took this and I put it in a grid, easy, right? Now I have all my alignments. It looks professional. It looks really obvious. Like, why wouldn't you do that? But a lot of people miss that. And I see that over and over again in decks, that things like jump. It's like the bouncing game, right? All over the slides twerking all over the place. It doesn't stay in place, right? So if you look at, in consistency, the same way too, that if you have a consistent layouts here that you're using, okay, if I'm going to use 4 columns, I'm just going to use this. If I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this. I'm only going to pick maybe 4 layouts, 3 layouts for consistency throughout the whole presentation. I don't need to go crazy on a whole bunch of different layouts. So I'm going to use those layouts to create consistency in my design.